Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how I make the Samyang Buldak cheese ramyun. So for ingredients, let's check down below. The first ingredients you will need the Samyang Buldak, the cheese versions. For the toppings that I use, I'm using spam and shrimp over here, and the black fungus. To make it more cheesier, then I'm gonna melt this cheddar cheese at the end of the cooking. So you have to stay tuned to know what I mean. And to fry, you will need the non or unsalted butter with a little bit of oil. So now let's get cooking. Here on my pan, I already put about 1 tablespoon of oil, and now I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of butter. We're just gonna let it melt. Now when you see it start melting like this, I'm gonna add my shrimp. I'm gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after about 2 minutes, my shrimp is done. I'm gonna transfer this to a plate. Now we're gonna start cooking the spam. So my spam here, if you see, it's nice and crisp up. So I'm gonna stop or turn off the stove and then put this on the side. Alright guys, so my topping is ready. Now my boiling water is ready. I'm gonna start cooking the noodle. So now my noodle is almost ready. I want to transfer it to my pan. I'm gonna start finishing off on the pan over here. You need a little bit of water. So I put a little bit of water over here, and then now you want to put the sauce. I'm gonna start mixing it. Mix all your noodle cover in the sauce. So when you see all the sauce is almost evaporated, I turn off my heat. I'm gonna add slice of cheese, and then I'm gonna close it for a little bit until the cheese is melted. So I'm melting the cheese using the remaining heat from the pan. So you see now, cheese is melted. I'm gonna completely remove from the stove, and then I'm gonna start garnishing or topping it. Now I'm gonna start garnish with the spam. Next one is the shrimp. Next ingredient is the mushroom. And then least not least is the green onion. And there you go guys. This is how I make Samyang Buldak, the cheese versions. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.